Hey there, welcome to another render demo video tutorial. Today I'll be drawing the giant red panda from the movie Turning Red. So if you like this film and you want to follow along, grab a sheet of paper and let's start drawing. Alright, I'm going to begin by drawing the lower part of the head right over here. So I'm going to draw a line like this, and it doesn't have to be a straight line, it could be a kind of a curved line. I'm going to go something about this length. Okay, and then we're going to draw the cheeks over here. So I'm going to draw a C shape like this, and this is going to come down almost touching the edge here, and then we're going to hook back and we're going to come out, and then we're going to kind of come up, and then we're going to curl over and meet back up like that. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. So we're going to have a curved shape like this, and this one's actually going to hook to the right and come down and actually touch the bottom of the chin area. And this will be wider down here. We can come across like this and get a little bit wider over on this side. So these two shapes will be slightly different from each other. We'll come up and draw the top of the head. So we'll go up like this. The top of the head will be kind of flat, and then you'll come down a little bit, and then this will kind of curve out like that. So I'll draw the nose. So we're going to draw a curved shape like this, and then this will come down and point, and this side will hook over and kind of point down. From here you can curve this shape like that. And then what we'll do is this will be a little bit flat at the bottom, and then it'll round up and come almost where it's touching the top of the nose. And this will come right across, and then you're going to round this side and come in, and it points up a little bit. So you have a little bit of a pointy shape down there. Now we'll draw one eye on the left. So this one's actually going to be like touching this shape. So come like this. Okay, and then you can draw a curve, and then you can draw another curve over here for the inner part of the eye, and then you can do like a little highlight shape. And I'm going to go and just color this in black. We'll draw another eye. It's coming over to the right, and this will come like that. And then we can draw two lines like this on this side. And then we'll draw a little circle on the left and then fill in the dark part. Now you can create a shape above both of those eyes. And then at the top we'll draw some eyebrows. So over here we'll draw an eyebrow like this. So it'll be tapered here at this corner, and this side will get a little wider, and then you'll come down and point. And then the same on this side. This will be wider up here. And then this will like teardrop and point down to the right like that. Let's get the ears in. I'm going to start from down over here. I'm going to come up, and I'm going to do a little bit of like wiggles over here, and then this will kind of come up. So as I get past the top of the head, all right, so this will be a little bit higher than the top of my head. Then I'm going to hook this back over to the right like this, kind of come down and curve into the head like that. And then we'll draw inner part of the ear, and for this I'm going to come up like that. We'll have a little point up here, we'll come down, and then we'll come up and have like a little jiggle shape like that over there. And then on this side we'll do the same. We'll come right around here where this starts to slope down. We'll draw the other ear. So we're going to come, and this will come up, and then we're going to come down. And then just as you pass by this shape right here, you can extend the ear a little bit beyond that, and then you can hook that back. So that'll be the tip of the ear. And then this will come down, and then we're going to come over back in, but we're not going to touch. We're going to stay right about here, and then we're going to kind of come up and do a couple like wiggly shapes, and then this will kind of come down. And then we'll do this inner ear shape on this side. So right over here, I'm going to come out, we're going to go up, and we're going to kind of pinch like that, kind of where this corner of the ear is. And then we'll have this come all the way back over to the left, and we'll round this right here, and we'll do kind of like these little hair shapes like this.
Hey guys, we're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers this year, so please help us out and click that subscribe button down below. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks.
The whiskers are kind of like jaggedy, so we'll do 3 whiskers out on this side. And then on the right side, all right, now for the body. So make sure you have enough room for the feet down here, okay? I'll grab my pencil, and just for a guideline, I'm going to draw a line right about here. So we know that that's going to be where our arms will end, and then our feet are going to come right about here at the bottom of our page. So you can put those in as well. That'll help you figure out how far to go so you don't go too far and the body won't look right. We're going to come over about halfway in between this line that we just drew here. So we'll come out and over, and then we'll bend. So that'll be the elbow. And we're going to come down. And this is going to be kind of like a fist almost that's kind of tucked into the side of the body. Come up. And then we'll do like a little thumb type of shape. Then what we can do is we could put some kind of like hair shapes. And over here we'll do a few like wiggly shapes like that. We're going to come over to the right, and then we're going to come down, swoop down, and we're going to pinch like that. We're going to come over to the left and up, and this fist will be about the same as like that fist that's going to press it in on the hips. And we'll come like this, and then we'll draw a line over to the left, and then we can draw some like triangular zigzaggy shapes. Okay, now we have the upper body. Now we'll go down to where the legs are going to be. So from this shape here, this zigzaggy shape here, if you drew an imaginary line all the way through there, kept it going, you'll come right about here. And then we'll come down. So here, we'll curve this slightly to the left, have like a bend to the left. And it doesn't have to be straight because this is like a furry panda. So you can do something like that. And then this foot will come out and like that. So that'll be the foot down here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, right from this point here, and we're going to hook this out to the right. We're going to come over like this, and then we're going to kind of bend in, and then we'll do a toe like that. Before we get all the toes in, I'm going to go right about here in the middle, and I'm going to do a curve from this left side. We're going to kind of come up over to the right a little bit. And then I'm going to kind of split this leg from this leg. So we want to have like where the center is going to be. I don't want this foot to be wider than this foot over here. So then from here, I'll come up like this, start above, and then hook down, and then curve this like that. And then we want to have about 4 toes over here that you can see. So we'll come right about here, and then we'll round this up. So there'll be 1, 2, and you could do a third one like that. Okay. And then we'll do similar on this side. From over here, we'll curve this down to the left, and then we'll curve like that. And then this one will get about 4 toes. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, and then you'll have your 4th one right there. Awesome. Now let's draw in the tail that's kind of hooking over to the left. So we'll start right about here, and then we can kind of come down, and then this will like round over like that. And this will come and meet up with the toes right over here. So come like that, and then round. Now if we want to have some details, like some little hairy shapes in here, I'm just going to do a couple like zigzags. We'll do another one. So there's like these stripe shapes that happen on the panda. And we'll do 2 more over here. 1, and kind of round and curve those. Now for the feet, I'm going to do another like zigzaggy shape over here. And then we'll do one right about here where this foot is. This is going to kind of round and curve. And then here for the belly, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do some curves kind of in a backwards C shape like this. So keep going up and then end like that. I'll do one over here. And then we'll do some shoulder shapes. So these are like these triangular shapes. So there's one long one here, it's almost in a V shape, and then there'll be another one, smaller one inside of that. And then we'll have another one on this shoulder, will come down like that, and then this will come up in this direction. And then we can do an inner one, it's a little bit smaller and shorter. Alright guys, I just finished this giant red panda from the movie Turning Red. It looks really cool. Hopefully yours turned out really cool as well. Now I'm going to use my markers and color this in and speed up the video so you can follow along. And if you want to get the line art drawing, just go down below in the description, click on the link, and you can download the coloring page and color the Turning Red giant panda yourself. Have some fun! Well, I hope you liked my drawing of Turning Red, the big giant red panda. And if you did, please like my channel and don't forget to subscribe to it. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year, and I need your help to do it. All right, guys? So until tomorrow with my next video, I'll see you then. Bye-bye.